Good morning student. Today we will discuss the solution of your worksheet first. This is related to chapter first, knowing our numbers. See in this, in worksheet first question is write the following numbers in word. That is first part 80203. Then how to write down 80203. This is ones, then tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. It means it becomes 80,000 203. In the similar way, you can write down the next one. Now see next question. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. That is 90403, 90304, 90406, then after 90046. Arrange this in descending order. Descending order means firstly we write down the greatest number, then after in decreasing order. Okay, see which one is the greatest number in this? This one digit is the same in all the numbers 9. This also same, then we can't compare. Now see this one here 4, 3 smaller, it means from this this one is greater. There also 4, then 0. It means we have to compare these two numbers now. 0 here also 0, 3 here 6. Then which one is greater? The first one greatest number in this is 90406. Obviously this one number is greater than from these two. The next one is 90403. Now compare these two. This one 3 and here 0. It means this one is greater. 90304, then 90046. So we can arrange in descending order like this. Now see question number 3rd. Write the successor of. Whenever we want to write down the successor, then successor of 10889 is equal to 10889 plus 1. 10890. This is the successor. Successor means just next number. What is the successor of 3? Just next number 4. 4, then next number 5. Predecessor means just before this number. Write the predecessor, that is 7890. Means उससे पहले का एक number. 7890. For finding the predecessor of this, we will do minus 1 in it. Then 10 minus 1, 9, 887. Then what is the predecessor of this? 7889. Similarly, you can do second part. Question number 5. Question number 5c. Write the smallest 5-digit number using only one digit. Smallest 5-digit number. Or we have to use only one digit. 000. If I write down this, then it is not a number, 5-digit number. So smallest we can use 1. Then smallest 5-digit number using one digit, that is 111, sorry, this is 6-digit number, 11111. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 11,111. Next one is write the greatest 5-digit number using two different digits. Greatest 5-digit number. The greatest 9. If I write down all 9, then it will be only one digit, but we want to use two digit. It means we will use digit 9 or 8, but where we adjust 9, 9, 9, 9 and 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, 8. Then this is the greatest 5-digit number using 2 different digits. Next, see, express the number in words. Number is given to you 97201 301. Then before expressing we write down this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh, crore. It means this number becomes 9 crore 72 lakh 1301. What is the, in words this number we can express 9 crore 72 lakh 1301. Next question, see, express 3,64,029 in expanded form. Expanded form, see, 1 multiply by 1. Ones digit multiply by 1. Tens digit multiply by 10. 100 digit multiply by 100. 1000 digit multiply by 1000. 10,000 digit multiply by 10,000. And lakh digit multiply by 1 lakh. So, this is the expanded form of the given number. Now, see question number 9. The smallest 8-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Smallest 8-digit number using 3 different digits can be read as 10,000,002. Smallest 3-digit number. It means at least there should be 1. Smallest 3-digit number I can use 10000 like this, and the last one I can use 2. अगर मैं यहाँ 2 use करती तो this becomes 20 lakh, but here 20 something. But here I will use 1 and in the last 2 because I need 3 different digits. So here 3 different digits 1, 0 and 2. But if I use here 0, then it becomes 1 digit less. Okay, see now how to read it. In millions, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. International system, then it have 100,000 also. Then 1 million and 10 million. It means it becomes 10,000,002. So which one option is correct? Excuse me. Option A is correct. Now see question number 10. Akash sold 144 refrigerator at rupees 9725 each. It means cost of one refrigerator rupees 9725, and he purchased 144 refrigerator. Then cost of 144 refrigerator becomes rupees 9725 multiplied by 144. From the money he bought 150 TV set. इस मनी से जो मिला उसको this is equals to cost of 150 TV set. इसी मनी से उसने कितना परचेज किया? 150 TV set परचेज किया है. Then what is the cost of one TV set? Then it become 9725 multiplied by 144 divided by 150. Solve it, then you will get your result and you will find out your answer. Which one option is correct? Question number 11. The product of the place values of two fives in 75352. Place value. Place value here fifth is on 10th place. It means place value of this fifth 50. This one 5 into 1000, that is place value become 5000. Product means do multiply it. Then multiply of it, then you will get 25, 2, 3, 4, this one result. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay, now see the next one question. The difference between the largest 5-digit number. Largest 5-digit number, this is 99,999. And the largest 5-digit number with 3 distinct digits. Largest 5-digit number with 3 distinct digits. This become 99,987. We want to find out the difference of it. 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 8, 1. It means difference is 12. Then your option C is correct. Which of the following number is the smallest? Then firstly write down all the numbers, then find out which one is the smallest. Question number 14. Find the estimated sum of 4,380 and 18,765. What is the estimated sum of it? Estimated sum depends 1000. Ones, tens, 100,000. Then before 4380. Before this one see 3. If this number is less than 5, this number is less than 5, then this number unchanged. It means the nearest 1000 becomes 4000. In this case 18,765. Near this 1000, see this one. More than 5. It means this one increased by 1. Then it becomes 19,000 and other digits changed with 0. Now take the sum of it. This becomes 4,000 plus 19,000, that is 23,000. This time we will find out the estimated sum. Question number 15. A vessel has 5 liters and 120 milliliters of mango shake. One vessel we have, this has the capacity of 5 liter 120 milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. It means it becomes 5000 milliliter plus 120 milliliter becomes 5120 milliliter. In how much glasses each of 40 ml capacity? There are small glasses of 40 ml capacity. Then how many glasses we can fill from this capacity? How to find out? Total capacity 5120 and one glass capacity 40 ml. Then we find out that number of glasses which we can fill with this mango shake. Question number 16. What is the smallest 3-digit number with unique digit? Smallest 3-digit number. There should be necessary smallest, it means 1 at least we need here. Because if I write down 0, then it will be not a 3-digit number, it becomes 2-digit or less digit. then here 1, but here we can take 0. Then we unique digits we need, 1 or 0 we can't use, then we have to use 2. Then it becomes 102. Subtract the successor of 99 from the predecessor of 201. Successor of 99, it means 99 plus 100. Predecessor of 201, it means 201 minus 1 is equal to 200. Then subtract 200 minus 100 becomes 100. Question number 18, the place value of 7 in this. We can find out 7 on the place of 57,386. It is the place of 1000. It becomes, place value of 7 becomes 7 into 1000 is equal to 7000. What is the difference of the place value and face value of 2 in 8 to 9? Face value same digit 2. Place value 20 because it is at 10th place. Then the difference of this becomes 18. 16,160 people visited in a park in 256 days. Then how many people visited the park in 1 day? This is same as the procedure of unitary method. That what we will do? We will do the number of people divided by number of days. Then we find out the people visited in 1 day. So students, your first worksheet complete. Do properly prepare it. Okay student, thank you.